Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will explain how to get your first dunk. To begin, prioritize plyometric exercises like box jumps and depth jumps to develop explosive leg power. A strong core is also crucial for stability and transferring energy efficiently into your jump. Remember to practice your jumping form, focusing on a powerful 2-foot takeoff for maximum vertical lift. Next, let's refine your technique. Dedicate time to strength training, targeting your glutes, quadriceps, and calves to build a solid foundation. Your approach run is key. Aim for 3 to 5 powerful, accelerating steps before your jump. Don't forget your arms. Swing. A strong, coordinated swing can add several inches to your vertical leap, propelling you towards the rim. Consistency is paramount for progress. As your vertical jump improves, gradually increase the height of your targets, perhaps starting with a 10-foot rim and working your way up. Consider practicing with a lighter ball initially to build confidence before transitioning to a regulation basketball. Aim for 3 to 4 dedicated training sessions each week to see significant and lasting improvements. Finally, your mindset and recovery are just as important as your physical training. Visualize yourself successfully dunking the ball. Mental rehearsal can significantly boost your performance. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep each night and maintain a balanced diet to fuel your muscles. Remember, achieving your first dunk is a journey that requires patience and consistent effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.